how to change photo layout in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post photos with various layouts on your Facebook app. Let's dive right in. Open up the app. Now you need to go to the gallery like icon beside what's on your mind on your home page. Now select the photos that you want to post, hit next. Now you can see the grid like icon beside the pencil icon, tap on it. This changes the layout. So you can see classic, columns, and frames. So this is how you change the layout. So you can tap on the pencil icon and then you can also tap on edit and put in text, and then you can just hit post. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.